optimistic again, but I'm not sure that I can break the trend. I'll let myself get optimistic again, but I'm not sure that I can break the trend.
Yeah. I started off young, see I was on my grown shit. Now I'm just a big kid, but I got my own shit. How many contacts can my phone fit? Scrolling through them looking for some bitches to go home with. I melt the pain away with good draw. Pink mode, shopping at the green door. See, life isn't sweet, so I try to make it tasteful. And death's the only promise, so all this ballin' is wasteful. But it feel damn good, don't it? Riding through my city in a chariot, we own it. Everything you're bound to figure out, I've known it. Go ahead and pick an airline, I've flown it. And drown away the problems in my mental. Yeah.
I'll let myself get optimistic again, but I'm not sure that I can break the trend. I'll let myself get optimistic again, but I'm not sure that I can break the trend.
Yeah. I know it may look like everything's fine and get better with time like an age fine wine. I keep a bad chick like a young Don Juan. Biggest table in the club with bottles of Sean Dine. Pop 'em to the roof, boy, champagne shower. Continental view, feeling top floor power. Everything's good now, wait about an hour. Feeling top floor power. Everything's good now. Wait about an hour. I'll be lonely in a bitch. A relationship coward. She wants to stay. Force myself to make her leave. This could be our destiny. I don't wait around to see. I can't multitask with you. Girl, I'm trying to succeed. The top spot's the only place suitable for me. I'll be all that I can be, and you can do the same. I have seen the 7 seas. I sure could use a plane. Still all that hurt inside shit